Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I make honey jerk chicken. So I have about 2 pounds of chicken here that I've already cleaned and washed. The seasonings that I'll be using are salt, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, some dried thyme, and all natural all-purpose seasoning. And of course, we've got here some Grace jerk seasoning. I like to use mild because it gets pretty hot. And you can find this in any grocery store. So we have half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of onion powder, one tablespoon of black pepper, one tablespoon of paprika, one tablespoon of dried thyme, one tablespoon of all natural all-purpose seasoning. Give everything a good mix. Now we will add 2 spoons of the jerk marinade. Making sure all the chicken is nice and coated. Thank you for tuning in to today's video, and don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss a new recipe. I'll also be adding about a tablespoon of browning. Once it's all done mixing, you can set it aside for about 2 hours or overnight preferably. Now we'll just add a little bit of oil to the baking tray so the chicken won't stick. And we'll be baking this on 350 degrees for about 1 hour. While the chicken is cooking, I'll cut up the seasonings that I need for the sauce. I'll be using 1 green onion and 3 cloves of garlic. Once the chicken is done, you can set it aside and prepare the sauce. I have my pan on medium-low heat and will be adding in 3 tablespoons of honey. Let the honey cook for about 2 minutes and then add in the garlic and green onion. And you'll let this cook for another 2 minutes. Then add in the chicken pieces. Make sure the chicken gets nice and coated. And it's all done. There you have it. Juicy honey jerk chicken. Join me next time for another recipe on Mama's Easy Kitchen.